All right, a nice job by Scott Perdonic and the Heads Up Automotive and Machine number 91. He'll take that car back.
This video production is brought to you by Pack and Away Mobile Storage. We bring the storage unit to your door, pack it at your place, and store it at ours. Pack and Away Storage is a division of Highway Number 1 Self-Storage. We are proud supporters of the Number 2 NLSA Sprint Car and Number 20X Modified.
All right, here's your lineup starting on the pole in the Swan Lake Auto Body number 43 is Robert Livingstone. Outside, driving the FXR Racing number 29 out of St. Anne, Manitoba, is Dylan Sabatini. Inside row 2, in the Cabelco Mazer Group 35W, this is Amber Balkan. And rounding out the field, the Total Coordination and Construction 14, Ed Bell. '43 of Robert Livingstone takes the lead here. Amber Balkan in the Cabelco 35W on the move, as is the 29 of Sabatini. Close racing here. Well, no doubt about it, with the drier race conditions, these drivers are going to have to pedal these cars. You won't be flat-footing it here tonight. Amber Balkan now to the bottom of turn 1 and 2 and almost gets by the 43 of Livingstone. That's a great race. These cars are flying. Already 7 laps to go. Amber Balkan gives the 43 a bit of a tap. Great race up front. Amber Balkan now once again to the inside and takes the lead. Well, the Cabelco, New Holland, Mazer Group 35W Henchcraft chassis to the point position, and she's not looking back. Good young race driver and very good equipment. That is tough to beat. Robert Livingstone in the Swan Lake Auto Body number 43 second. Then Sabatini third in the FXR number 29. And fourth spot, Ed Bell in the Winnipeg Moving Total Coordination and Construction number 14. This time around, your leader, Amber Balkan, will take the white flag. Just 1 to go. Checkered flag is out. Amber Balkan picks up the win. Second spot, the Swan Lake Auto Body number 43, Robert Livingstone third. The Beausejour Hotel, St. Anne Hotel number 29, Dylan Sabatini out of St. Anne, Manitoba. And fourth in the Total Coordination and Construction, Bell's Property Services number 14. That's Ed Bell in the fourth spot. Next up will be Midwest Modifieds, but first we will get these Northern Lightning Sprints on the pizza scale. If you'd like more information on these cars, simply log on to nlsprints.com. That is nlsprints.com. obviously Amber Balkan makes the minimum weight of 950 pounds. Those cars are, well, about 7.25 without a driver, and obviously she's going to have to strap some weight into that car to make the 950 pound minimum weight. So maybe we'll ask her about that and how much weight she has actually had to add to that Mazer Group sponsored Henchcraft chassis.
I prefer the same one. No, she gets disappointed if I don't put it.
Well, Amber Balkan shuts off the 1000cc Suzuki engine aboard the New Holland Construction New Holland Agriculture 35W. Multiple feature winner in 2013. There she is, Amber Balkan with the win. Well, as you can see, these drivers wear an awful lot of safety equipment inside these open wheel cars. She is just unbuckling her Hans device. That is what holds her helmet to her shoulders in case of a frontal impact. They actually go right into the seat belts, and the seat belts hold your neck to your head, so to speak. So anyway, Amber Balkan in the 35W. A great win out here tonight in the Cabelco number 35W. A good battle there early. A little bit of a tap, and then you got by that driver. Tell us about it.
Yeah, I mean, he was quick, and this is definitely a driver's track tonight. When it's this dry, I haven't been on dry track all year, so I knew I just had to be patient. Something I don't have in real life is patience, but I know on the track, if you don't got patience, you're not going to win. So I just waited around till hope that he made a little wobble mistake. Luckily, I got that and passed, and then once I got in the front, I just started feeling more and more comfortable every lap and just went a race.
All right, now we talk about the minimum weight. How much weight do you have to strap to this car to make the minimum weight over on that scale?
Yeah, well, I don't know if all you know, but I share this car with Wally Butler, and he's got a couple pounds on me. So we definitely got to strap a bit of weight to this car to make weight.
All right, how about it, ladies and gentlemen? Amber Balkan, your winner tonight in the Cabelco Mazer Group 35W. We are going Midwest Modified Racing next.